Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to increase reach on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. On the app's home screen, locate and tap on the What's on Your Mind text box at the top of the screen. This is where you typically create a new post. Then you need to create a post to increase your reach. Develop a high quality, compelling content that resonates with your target audience. This could include informative articles, captivating visuals, or entertaining videos. Aim to provide value and encourage engagement with your audience. Optionally, you can add emojis, tag friends, or include a location by tapping on the respective icons or options available. Once you are satisfied with your custom status, tap on the post or share button to publish it. Your custom status will now be visible to your Facebook friends or followers depending on your privacy settings. So now you need to go to your profile. Here you can see your post that you just published. Next, you can click the share button here. Now you need to share it to Facebook groups. So in that way you can increase the reach of your post. Determine the optimal times to reach your audience by analyzing engagement metrics and experimenting with different posting schedules. This could involve posting during peak activity periods or when your target audience is mostly likely to be online. And you can partner with influencers or industry experts who have a significant following and credibility in your niche. Their endorsement or collaboration can help expand your reach to their dedicated audience. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.